Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A04e and I want to show you how clear up cache and data on this device. First step to clear it is opening Settings application. In it we must tap on our apps segmentation and there we tap on our Manage all apps, where we have list of our all application. Find our application which we want to clear, maybe calendar, and there we can tap on our storage to clear our cache. We choose clear cache and we clear it, but to clear all data choose clear data and confirm it by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.